Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to making a live withdrawal. Yes, I'm going to making a live withdrawal on Curious Cards. I showed you guys few months ago on how to make money on Curious Cards. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw to your PayPal account on Curious Cards. So guys, without wasting much of your time, normally you know the drills. We go over to our VPN and turn on our VPN. So mine is already on. Sorry, over 1 hour now is still on. So guys, that is it. So what you need to do is just go over to, and if I check, you can see that the VPN is on. So I will just go over to the app Curious Cards. Yeah, so this is the app right here. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, so guys, you can see that my current balance here is 828 points. You understand? 828 points. So guys, once I click on that, is approximately 8.8 pounds 28 cents. So that is it. Once I click it, you see 8 pounds or 8 euro 28 pounds. So guys, I'm going to be making this withdrawal down to my PayPal account. You can see this is not fake, this is not fake, it's real. You can see I can refresh it to show you guys. So you can see my transaction history. So these are the withdrawal I've made so far from these Curious Cards. You can see this withdrawal of 9.77 pounds, almost, you know how much it is in Nigeria. So guys, this is how to make your withdrawal down to your PayPal account. So once I click on this point, it's 828 points. So I will just click on this. You can see amount 8.28 pounds to withdraw to this PayPal account. This is the email address I'm going to be withdrawing it down to here. So once I withdraw it, I'll go over to my email address and show you guys the withdrawal proof, like the withdrawal history that I've withdrawn the money down to my PayPal. So I'm going to click on confirm now. So guys, it's going to wait. I'm going to wait for some time for it to load. So the payment is easier and faster once I click on it. Once it will send me notification on my PayPal, on my email, that I've received the money down to my PayPal account. So guys, it's saying processing transaction. So guys, this app is very simple to use, it's very simple to navigate. So guys, you can see that I have withdrawn, status is confirmed. You can see this is the transaction ID. As you can see my balance now. My balance is now zero. You understand? My balance is now zero. And you can see if I go back to my transactions, you can see that this is the paper, this is the amount that I withdrawn this morning. So you can see. So once I will just go over to my email to confirm whether I have received the money down to my email address. So you can see this. You can see I withdraw this money around 10:05, and you can see exactly at 10:05 a.m. the money dropped. So it's as simple as this. One is not the one that you wait around 2 days or 24 hours or 5 working days before the money drops. No, I'll just click on it to show you guys. You can see exactly at 10:05 the money just dropped immediately. So you can see you have a payment from Curious Cards. You can see on this device recharge has sent you 8.28 euros. So you can see, thanks for your time and effort. And see today's date, as of the time I'm making this video and as of the time I'll be posting it, this is 16th of September. As you can see. So guys, this is it. So this is how this platform works. So you can withdraw your money down to your PayPal, and if I go back to my PayPal account, it will also reflect on my PayPal account. So guys, I'll quickly show you guys how to complete some of the tasks in here to receive your money. So guys, I'll just click. I can see this one is 5 points, this one is 37 points, this one is 23 points. So I will show you guys how to complete tasks and earn your money down to your PayPal account. So I'll go with this one that says 5 points. So you can see 1 to 3 minutes I'm done with tax, and I will quickly transfer the 5 points to my balance here. You can see check my balance is 0 points. You understand? So once I complete this task, it will be added up to my balance. So I'll just go over to start the offer. So to take me to a browser that I'm using Edge as my default browser. So to take me there, so it's loading. You can see, are you a male, female, or identify in another way? So I'll quickly click on male. I'm a male, and the age I use for this Curious Card is 26 years. So I'll click on 26. So you can see how frequently do you use this following social media site, platform, or app. Instagram, I use it almost every day. TikTok, I use every day. YouTube, I use every day. Pinterest, I use every day. Facebook, every day. Twitter, every day. Snapchat, because this is more like a daily life, because a day can pass without you logging into your paper account, logging into your Facebook account, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok. So I'll just click on every day. I'll click on next. So you can see, lastly, can you tell us which year you were born? So on this curious card, remember, this is not a Nigerian site, this is a UK or US site app. So I'm using the date of birth that matches it. So I'm using 1999. That is, you can see, click on it. You can see, thank you for taking this survey, please click finish to receive your points. So it's as simple as that. This does not even take up to 3 minutes or 2 minutes of my time, or even 1 minute, less than 1 minute. So I'll just click on select, all done, thanks for your time. So I'll just go over to my app. You can see these 5 points immediately, as simple as ABC. You can see, once I click it, you can see you can see you don't have enough points to cash out right now. So the minimum withdrawal here is 100 points, you understand. The minimum withdrawal here is 100, and that 100 points is equivalent to £1 or €1. So guys, I still have more like 95 points to go. Yeah, 95 points to go. So I'll just click on tasks again. You can see these are the various tasks which you can complete. This one can give you 37 points, 20 points, 14 points. So before you must have completed this task, at least a day. I can convince you, and I can convince you that a day, if you are serious with it, you can make up to £2 or £3, depending on how serious that you stick with it, you understand. So guys, these are the tasks that I have able to complete. You can see this one, I have completed this one today, and yesterday I completed this to 50 points. You can see 50 points, 10 points. So guys, this is how this platform works, and the name of the platform is called Curious Cards. And if you want to download this, just go over to your Play Store. Okay, let me just show you guys for further notice. Go over to your Play Store. Yeah, mind you, before you download this app, you must have a VPN, a working VPN. You understand? Because if you don't have a VPN, it will tell you that this site is not for you. This app is not permitted to be downloaded in your country or on your region. So just click on, you can search on Curious Cards. Yeah, so this is it. So this is the one that you're going to download. Let me click on it. So this is one that I'm going to download. This one right here, this one you're going to download. You can see I've circled it. You have to download this one. So that is it. So this is it. So you can, as you can see, it's now over. I can click on open to show me this in my app. So guys, this is how the platform works. So guys, thank you for your time, thank you for everything. So once you have any issue or have any problem with this, just go down to the description of this video, or go down to the comment section. Just drop your thoughts and questions. I'll be right there to answer your question. So guys, we'll be ending this video right here. So guys, see you next time. Bye.